Number 15. Highway Hitchhiker. When driving a lonely road at night, you oftentimes see things that aren't there. Luckily, this driver's dashcam footage proves their eyes weren't lying. Shared to Reddit by Sir Squid, this dashcam footage was captured by a trucker in Arizona in March of 2023 and shared by Fox News from Will Church and Erica Lake. Keep an eye on the side of the road. Did you see it? Watch again closely. A semi-transparent figure is standing there, very still. As the vehicle approaches, only the bottom half is visible. Is it a trick of the light? The figure slowly forms upon approach as the headlights cast over it, but it's still not clear. Some in the comments are wondering if there's a record of a life ending on this road. I want to know too. If the story behind this is creepy as the footage, I think we're all getting nightmares tonight.